and local government. The conditions which have caused major fires in Chelsea exist in almost every city in the United States. When fire codes are not enforced, unsafe business practices go unchecked. Buildings and property decay. Housing deteriorates. Lives are threatened. Unless adequate safeguards are provided to protect lives and property, great fires will continue to threaten American cities.
I paid my dues, time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime.